Okay, let's continue to work with the verb to work in French, which is travailler, travailler, travailler. In our last lesson, we learned how to say I work, which is je travaille, je travaille. In this lesson, we are going to look at how to say you work using the informal you, tu. You work. Before I show you the form, remember if the subject is tu, for regular ER verb conjugation, the ending is always going to be es. So how do we get that form? Well, travailler, you start with your infinitive. You remove the ER and you're left with the root. So this is the root. So what we do at this point is to add the es to the root. And there you have it. Tu travailles. So you work is tu travailles. You work. Tu travailles. You work. Tu travailles. Notice we're not pronouncing the consonant at the end, even though it ends in an S. Tu travailles. Tu travailles. You work. Tu travailles. Tu travailles. Here. Remember how to say here from a previous lesson? Ici. Here. Ici. Here. Ici. You work here, if I want to make that statement using tu. Tu travailles ici. Tu travailles ici. You work here. Tu travailles ici. You work here. Tu travailles ici. Today. Aujourd'hui. Today. Aujourd'hui. Today. Aujourd'hui. Today. Aujourd'hui. You work today? Tu travailles aujourd'hui. You work today? Tu travailles aujourd'hui. You work today? Tu travailles aujourd'hui? You work today. Tu travailles aujourd'hui. Okay, so let's review and try something new. Can you guess the answer before I show it to you? To work. Travailler. You work using the informal tu. Tu travailles. Notice I've color-coded it. The es ending always goes with tu when you're conjugating regular ER verbs in the present tense. Tu travailles. And notice I'm not pronouncing the consonant at the end. Tu travailles. Here. Ici. Today. Aujourd'hui. Tomorrow. Demain. A lot. Beaucoup. Too much. Trop. Okay, so if you want to make the statement you work here, you would say tu travailles ici. You work today. Tu travailles aujourd'hui. You work tomorrow. Tu travailles demain. You work a lot. Tu travailles beaucoup. And finally, you work too much. Tu travailles trop. Pronunciation reminder, we generally don't pronounce consonants at the end of words. So, demain, beaucoup, trop. Alright, to continue learning, click on the video that appears here on your screen. À bientôt. See you soon.